machine hadn't ran for a while, you just put in the motor and try to get it to move, and you get it running great and it doesn't want to move. Check all your fluids. If you stamp in a new motor or it hadn't set for a while, make sure your transmission's filled with hydraulic fluid. Make sure you have all your hydraulic fluids in for your boom and your bucket. It's something always simple, you know. She was running smooth and sweet, idling great. I haven't even broken the motor yet. I'm doing that right now. Give it a little RPM, back down all the RPM, run it, warm it up, shut it down, cool it down. So it's running, and I'm just putting around and she stops. Nothing. Go to crank it over, nothing. So everything from the tank on is either worked through or rebuilt or cleaned out or whatever. What I'm guessing it is, and I'm getting ready to tear into it right now, I'm thinking that the tank sitting so long has got all kinds of garbage in it. So this tank is full of diesel fuel all the way to the top. And it's not, I pop the bleeder, nothing's coming out. So from here on in, I'm thinking dirt collected around the opening. So I'm just going to back bleed it. And I'm probably going to put on some new fuel filters, because I just put a new injection pump in. Everything's new, and I don't want to mess anything up. So I'm just going to back bleed it and put fuel into it. It's all good. That's exactly what's wrong with it. She had dirt in the tank. It's clogging around the opening, and it just needs back bled. I need to clean it out. That's all there is to it. She's been sitting for a while, so it takes a while to work things through. Don't get discouraged. It's all good. Sometimes patience is the key. Like I'm gonna order some new fuel filters. I'm just gonna change them all out. That's what's wrong with it. As you know, this Backhoe hadn't ran in a while. The gas tank was empty for the longest time. I think that the rust on the inside of the tank, after I filled it up with gas, I think after shaking it loose and running around, I think all those particles went to the bottom of the tank. So my solution is, of course, is a new set of fuel filters. But I mean, I just spent all this time and energy rebuilding the motor. I don't want any debris to go in. You might not have to change out the fuel filters, but I'm going to. But a dirt magnet is a old-fashioned dirt magnet. This is why I don't ever get rid of anything. I'm not telling you to be a hoarder, but don't get rid of stuff. I'm going to put that on the tank, right where the fuel pickup comes through, and hopefully, after I shoot air back through it, the particles will go up in the tank and then come down and stick to the magnet. That's my idea. I hope it works. We will see. There's the pickup right there. Turn off, unbolt, air, shoot back in. Look, no fuel's coming out. Let me turn it back on. Look at that, no fuel. It's all cluttered in there. So let me blow that out. Ooh. Oh, where's your problem? Wow, I don't even think Now, was that a simple quick fix? Was it a long-term fix? I don't know. So, blowing the fuel back in just pushed the crap out of the pickup. It's up in the tank now, floating around down, and hopefully it collects on the dirt magnet thing. I don't even know if I want to change out the fuel filters now. I think if I just shut this, I'm good to go. Huh. See? Wow. I might hold off on the changing of the filters. What do you think? Would you change the filters immediately, or would you run it for a while? Bees! That battery! Awesome! Oh, I was so skeptical about these things. The jump packs. Man, they work awesome. I mean, they're just great instead of running a wire wherever you got to go. Pretty cool stuff. Things they come out with nowadays is amazing to me. There you go, Geronimo. That was a pretty easy fix. That was cool. It cost nothing. That's awesome. Like, I didn't put the fuel filters on yet. I don't know whether I should or not. Like, it wouldn't really be a waste, would it? But I don't know. I don't think it was clogging up in the filters. I think it was clogging up in the tank. So we'll see if that. I'll let you know if this fix, how long this fix works. You know, when you see our channel, we have a playlist of a backhoe. We have trailers. We have a rat rod. We have different things that we do, but we always come back and work on whatever. So, whatever. What get you some of that through the hair? Woo! Whatever.